This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Zerodha account is live and KYC complete. This prevents delays when placing orders. Fund the trading ledger now using UPI or bank transfer so you can buy immediately. Once done, open Kite Zerodha's app and sign in. Make sure you understand your available cash versus margin. That tells you how many shares you can buy. This step minimizes failed orders and ensures you pay attention to limits, brokerage, and taxes before you move on. You now search the ticker in Kite, then decide market or limit. Market executes immediately, limit waits for your price. For delivery, pick CNC. For intraday, use MIS or NRML depending on leverage needs. Enter the exact quantity based on full shares you can afford, then review required margin and brokerage. Once satisfied, tap Buy and confirm the order PIN. This procedure controls price risk and ensures execution aligns with whether you want. You finish by checking the Orders tab for execution details and then go to Holdings to confirm shares arrived if you chose delivery. Reconcile the executed price with your available cash and brokerage charges so records match. If the order fails, first verify sufficient funds and exact symbol, then confirm order type and limits. If issues persist, contact Zerodha support with your order ID. This closes the loop, so you own the correct shares and know how to resolve common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.